Okay, so we have an order for 3 micrograms per kilogram per minute of nipride. Available is 50 milligrams in 250 mLs, and the patient's weight is 60 kilograms. How many mils per hour will you administer? So the information that we need is the order for the 3 micrograms per kilogram per minute, and we need to know that there's 50 milligrams in 250 mLs. We don't need to know that it's D5W for this question. We need to know the patient's weight, and we need to know how many mils per hour we're administering. So we're going to put mils per hour over here so we don't forget what we're trying to get to. And we're going to enter the order, 3 micrograms per kg per minute. That's the order. Now, what do we have available? We have 50 milligrams of nipride in 250 mLs. So milligrams is going to go on the bottom because micrograms was on the top. And that puts 250 mLs on the top. Now, we do need a conversion because micrograms and milligrams are not the same. So let's do that conversion. So milligrams is on the bottom here, so it's going to go on the top. 1 milligram equals 1,000 micrograms on the bottom. Now, do we need another conversion? Yes, because we're looking for mils per hour, and the order is in minutes. So let's convert minutes. So 60 minutes goes on the top because it's on the bottom in the order, and 1 hour goes on the bottom. And then we have one more thing we need. We need the patient's weight. So we're going to put P for patient, and the patient weighs 60 kilograms. And that's on the top because it's on the bottom in the order. We're just going to put a 1 here as a placeholder, and then we're going to do our math. So we are going to multiply 3 micrograms times 250 times 1 times 60 times 60. And then we're going to divide that by the bottom. So 50 divided by 1,000 divided by 1 divided by 1 equals 54. Now you don't have to put the ones in the calculator, but I like to do that just so I make sure I'm not missing a step. The answer is 54 mils per hour.